here's what we got, YouTube. Flashlight's too bright. Trying to replace my light in here and you see what we got. Look at this. This camera can't handle this flashlight. Got knob and tube there. Get a different light here. It's a mess here. So what we have here is the fixture was mounted here and it was right on top of a beam. And I can't do that. I can't put a box. I want to put a box up in there, you know, like so. So you can't put the box over the beam. Excuse my workmanship here, so I had to make a new hole and put the box here. I'll mount it up in there somehow. And I gotta move all these wires out of here, and that sucks. So what I had to do is I had to remove these from the knob and tube wires. This is what was shoved in these little holes here. So they're junk. And I attached my Romex to that, and I just put the box in as you can see here. You know, nice and secure. It's 2 screws there. Kind of awkward doing this with a headlamp on. So yeah, now all I got to do is screw my fixture to these two, attach the 2 wires, and we're good to go. And well, if I can't do this with 2 hands. I'd need 3 hands. I wanted to show you this little tester here about finding the hot wire. I did this in one of my other videos. You can see there's a little glow there. I'm just touching the one end in my hand, and the other end is going right to the hot wire. You can see how the neon lights up telling me, yeah, that's right, the black is hot and the white's neutral. So that's it for my light project. I gotta get some drywall and some plaster and fill this gap in here. The dish on the fixture will cover, it has insulation on it. It'll take care of the rest of this. I just want to like fix it from over here to here, and then I should put some plaster in there. Really good. So that's it. Well, I put a piece of drywall in there to take up some of the room. Now I gotta mix some plaster. And I'll fill the rest of the voids up there with plaster. But yeah, didn't come out too bad considering all the problems I had here. You know, like I said, if they would have done it right and put a box in there like it should have been done in the first place, it would have been a lot easier. But they just, you know, these old Holmes knob and tube wiring and all of that stuff, it's a real pain in the butt. So, thanks for watching.